gonna use Printf for the reading and Scanf for the writing. Now let's look at a program using both of them, like get the input from the user and do some calculation using these programs. Now let's start. First I'm gonna include the library, input output library, that is include stdio.h. And then close this one, and then we type our function, that is integer main void and then curly bracket to close this function, and at the end we just type return 0. Even if you don't type it, it's not going to give you error, but it's better practice to type it at the end. Okay, now let's go ahead and write our program. Here we are going to have two numbers, and those numbers are going to do the addition operation, and we are going to get the answer. We get the input from the user, and the variable we introduce is integer type of variable. So let's name the first one as integer input 1, and then integer input 2, and then the third variable integer answer. Then first I'm giving the prompt to the user to input a value, printf statement to give the prompt, input value 1, input value 1, and then semicolon. You can leave a space to make it look better, and then scanf statement to get the input from the user, and we want to store that one in input 1. So in the scanf we want to store the integer value, so we put a %d, and then to store that one in input we put the ampersand sign and input 1 for the first input, and then put a semicolon right after this, and then I'm going to copy paste this one for the second value as well. Copy this one, paste it, and change the input value to true now, and then change the input to input 1 to input 2. And after that we are going to do the addition operation. Here we do the addition. Answer is equal to input 1 plus input 2. This is the addition operation, and finally we are going to print out the answer, display the answer. To do that I put a printf statement, and then %d plus %d, that is equal to %d, and we are going to give each of these %d in order, and also I'm going to give a new line to make it look better, \n for the new line. And then the first %d represents input 1, and the second %d represents the input 2, and the third %d represents the answer. And that's it. Now let's go and run and see if we are getting any error or not. Build and run. I'm going to just save it as untitled 1. Yes. Okay. I'm not getting the prompt that should be displayed to user. Let's see what's the error. Printf statement input value 1. Let me. Oh crap. Okay, this one closed. Let me wait for it to open. Hopefully I hope it's served. It's gonna take a while to load. Okay, now it's loading. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna open this. and I saved this one in untitled 1, and I'm gonna open this and see. Okay, so this is not working. However, I have a copy of it. Let's copy paste this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. This is the program. Include stdio.h integer main function, and then void. First integer we introduce as input 1, second integer we introduced as input 2, and the third integer we introduced as integer answer. First one for the input, the first number input, we get it from the user and apply for the addition. Input 2 is the second number, and then answer is to calculate the addition of 2 number and to display at the end. So first we give the prompt to the user input value 1, and then scanf to get that value input 1, and then print second we get the input 2 from the user by giving this prompt, and then we calculate the total value and display it at the end. Let's go ahead and run this one and see if it works. Build and run. Okay, something wrong. Let me try again. Build and run. The program rest of civil and turn duty 60. Oh crap, 64. Ah, it was working perfectly before, but it's giving some error. I'm not sure what is going on, but this is the code. If you apply it, this one should work perfectly. I don't know what to do, so I have to just remix it right here. Just note down the code, try it at any program, it should be working. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.